Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.3.13 flashes or below threshold. This criterion requires that web content does not contain anything that flashes more than 3 times in any 1 second period, or that is below the general flash and red flash thresholds. To implement Success Criterion 2.3.1 in code, here are some examples of best practices. Limit the frequency of flashing. Ensure that any flashing on the website is limited to a maximum frequency of 3 flashes per second. Use flash thresholds. Ensure that any flashing on the website does not exceed the general flash threshold of 3.0 flashes per second, or the red flash threshold of 0.2 flashes per second. Test for accessibility. Test your website for accessibility, including Success Criterion 2.3.1, using automated tools or by conducting user testing. Here's an example of how to limit flashing in CSS. In this example, the CSS code creates a flashing effect for an element with the class flashing element. The @keyframes rule defines the animation, which changes the background color of the element from red to white and back to red in a loop. The animation property applies the animation to the element, with a duration of 0.333 seconds per cycle, which results in a frequency of 3 flashes per second. This example meets Success Criterion 2.3.1 by limiting the flashing frequency to 3 flashes per second. Here's an example of how to use flash thresholds in JavaScript. In this example, the JavaScript code defines 2 functions, is flashing above threshold and is flashing below threshold, that check if a given frequency of flashing exceeds the red flash threshold or is below the general flash threshold, respectively. The code also includes an example usage that calculates the frequency of flashing for an element with a class flashing element using the calculate flashes per second function. This example meets Success Criterion 2.3.1 by ensuring that any flashing content is below the general flash threshold or the red flash threshold, and taking appropriate action if it exceeds these thresholds.